In this video, we'll take a look at performing a real-time deal shift for one of your deals in Ouido. And specifically, we'll look at how to do that using the drag and drop features in Ouido's deal map. So to begin with, I'm here on my Launchpad, and we'll navigate to our deal map over on the left-hand navigation bar. And just as a quick reminder, our deal map shows us all of our deals as cards, as well as which template each of our deals is actually in. So I have this deal over here that's under contract, has some overdue tasks. And for today, we'll imagine that this deal has fallen apart and we need to go back to being an active listing. And a real-time deal shift is the quickest way to do that in Ouido. So what I'm going to do is drag and drop this deal over from the template it's currently in to the template that I want to be in. So I'll just drop this right in here. And this is going to bring out a quick editor. Now, by default, the first thing that's going to appear in this list is don't assign a workflow, which means after we do this shift, it's not going to bring in any additional workflows and tasks that we haven't selected. Now, if I'd like to bring in specific workflows from my active listing template here, I can just click on this drop-down menu and it will show me all of the workflows that make up my active listing template. So maybe in this example, I actually want to start at my newly active listing because I know that this workflow has tasks for right after we get on the market, and that'll help remind me to do all of my advertising and things now that we're going back to being active on the MLS. So we'll select that. And now that we've selected what we want to do with our tasks after this deal shift, the only other option is whether or not we'd like to delete all of our undone tasks as part of this change. So essentially what this does is taking our example for this particular deal that was under contract, right? It has several tasks that are outstanding at the moment for that contract, but since that contract fell apart, none of those tasks actually matter anymore. So what we can do is actually set this up to delete those tasks when we do this change. So effectively how I have it set up here is as soon as I click this button, it's going to get rid of all those outstanding tasks, reset this deal to the active template, and load up this listing newly active workflow. So let's go ahead and see it in action. I'll go ahead and click shift the deal, and you'll see that our deal has shown up here, and that red for our tasks due today has shifted to green because it switched out those tasks for us. So that's the basics of how to perform a real-time deal shift using the drag and drop feature in Ouido's deal map. I hope this was helpful, and for more videos on how to use Ouido software, check out our YouTube channel.